I am running forward. I am walking calmly. I am jumping with both feet off the ground. I am sitting upright on a chair. I am standing straight. I am reading a book. I am writing in a notebook. I am eating an apple. I am drinking water from a glass. I am sleeping on a bed. I am waking up and stretching. I am opening a door. I am pushing a box. I am pulling a rope. I am throwing a ball. I am catching a ball. I am kicking a football. I am clapping my hands. I am waving my hands. I am smiling gently. I am looking ahead. I am seeing something carefully. I am listening attentively. I am speaking. I am talking confidently. I am pointing at something. What is it? Where? I see it. I am touching it. You're touching it. Let me see. Wow, you're really touching it. I am holding a book. I am carrying a bag. I am lifting a small box. I am dropping a ball. I am cleaning a table. I am washing my hands. I am brushing my teeth. I am combing my hair. I am putting on my shirt. I am removing my jacket. I am tying my shoes. I am untying my shoelaces. I am cutting paper with scissors. I am drawing with a pencil. I am painting on paper. I am building with blocks. I am breaking a stick. I am fixing a toy. I am using a tool. I am playing with a ball. I am teaching from a board. I am practicing writing. I am learning from a book. I am thinking deeply. I am counting on fingers. 1, 2, 3. See? 3 fingers. I am measuring with a ruler. I am checking a notebook. I am searching carefully. I am choosing. I am finding something. I am showing my book. I am giving a gift.
Wow, thank you!
I am giving you an apple.
Oh, thank you!
You're welcome.
It looks yummy!
I am helping a poor. I am stopping the car.